That's pretty much it.
Okay.
Oh! Didn't see you there. My name is Megan.
And I'm Jessica.
We were just about to make some no-bake peanut butter cups. This is what they look like. Care to join us? Alright then. We'll walk you through the steps.
Action.
The first thing that you do is combine all of the ingredients except for the topping and the margarine. So that's the graham cracker, the peanut butter, and the sugar. This creates a heterogeneous mixture. Watch out.
Next, we slowly add our melted butter. The reason the butter is slightly melted is because if it weren't, our product would not come out smooth and creamy like we want it to be. It would come out clumpy, which is also why we crushed up the graham crackers. Adding the margarine creates a chemical reaction between the butter and the powdered sugar because the sugar cuts air bubbles into the butter. By doing this slowly, it adds extra volume and has a softer texture.
Just film it. Then we line our pan with wax paper. We want to leave the sides long enough to hang over the edge of the pan so that things don't get too messy. The wax paper prevents grease and oil from passing through it. It also prevents the mix from sticking to the pan. This is known as cohesion and surface tension. If we didn't put the wax paper down, the mix would stick to the pan and we would be in a sticky situation.
Next, we can pat the mixture into the pan on top of the wax paper and smooth it to an even height. This is a physical change because we are changing the surface area of the solution to make it evenly spread. By not taking this step, the surface area would be uneven and we would have uneven amounts of cookie dough in every bite.
Now time for the topping. First, we'll melt our chocolate chips and peanut butter in the same pan. We're going to melt them and stir them until they're smooth. This is an
endothermic reaction
because the pan is heating our chocolate and peanut butter.
It is also physically changing their state from a solid to a liquid. The chocolate chips will heat up much faster because they have a smaller surface area. If it had a larger surface area, like a full chocolate bar, then it would take much longer for the chocolate to melt. We will constantly stir because this causes the molecules to speed up, making the chocolate mix melt faster.
And this is what the final product of the melted chocolate looks like. And peanut butter.
After we are done melting the chips and the peanut butter, we pour this mixture over our other mixture and spread it evenly just like we did previously with the peanut butter.
Filling it on all edges.
We're almost done.
We are almost done. Like I just said, we're almost done. But first, we have to chill our solution for 30 to 45 minutes in the fridge.
This is an exothermic reaction because the heat is being removed from the solution. This causes a physical change in the solution to make it harden. After we have allowed the mixture to cool half the time, we cut through the chocolate with a serrated knife. This is a physical change for the chocolate since it is changing its size. You use a serrated knife to do this because they are made to cut through foods with a hard exterior. You also have to cut through this before it's fully done hardening so that the chocolate doesn't crack and crumble.
For the last step, you put it back in the fridge to resume the exothermic reaction and physical change from semi-liquid to solid. Here's the final product.
Here, try some. Do you like it?
Let me try some. Swag.